Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. A meteorologist in North Dakota was trying to burn ice off his driveway when he accidentally made a fire tornado.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
That looks like demons were coming out of hell.
This dad was trying to teach his kids how to do a fake slap.
Your head, right? Oh. Oh.
This delivery driver was upset that this customer didn't leave a tip, so she left this note in her bag, only to realize that she made a mistake.
Ignore it. You keep that.
Why?
Because I didn't see a tip on the app and I put a little card in there. So please keep that. I'm sorry.
No, I just had cash. Please take
It's
it.
okay. It's okay because it's okay. Thank you.
Have a good night.
She's
I thought the Hulk is gonna smash all the females in there. Hulk smash.
trying to go for a walk when her dog spotted something.
Oh, nice. Very
This
nice.
military ship had to go straight through a hurricane. This is how you wish someone a happy birthday on an airplane.
Happy birthday to you. Play ball. All right, now blow out those candles.
One of my
I'm pretty sure the person must have been embarrassed.
subscribers recorded himself playing on a flying piano for his music video.
Why are people so... People are really creative. Like so creative. And is he not feeling scared?
Sit.
Hey, there's a pig in the middle.
I have never seen a more evil smile.
Y'all, he closed the cat in the kennel.
That's Harry Potter. No, Lord of the Rings.
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later.